We are going to visit the Royal Palace Hotel here in Cambodia. Ikot-ikot lang tayo guys. At tingnan natin ang loob later on. Royal Palace.
Right now we are going to maybe ticket will be made by him.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Success.
Set. In the Philippines, I'm going to buy your ticket.
Somebody must go over there and
Galing?
Yes, magaling yan. Oh, gorgeous.
Good for you.
Ken.
Okay, yeah.
Yes,
Yan, so yun ang mga bawal. Yeah.
one cm.
So this is the map of the Royal Palace. Yan yung mga bawal na suot. Pasok na tayo. So meron siyang entrance ticket na $10 for the foreigners. But for the locals, $1 lang.
Okay.
Okay.
But please keep the ticket for me because I have to.
Ah, yeah. Okay. So this is the ticket for the entrance. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, right now we arrive to tell you some information about your palace. Okay.
You will get married.
So ito guys, isang ating paglakbay dito sa palace. So ikutin natin pa yung ibang lugar mamaya. Royal Palace. Wow, ang ganda.
Here we have two types of tree. Maybe this one you know clearly, right?
What? This one's mango, yeah.
Yeah. But this one maybe different.
This one is different. Yeah, what's this
one
one?
is the tree where the Buddha was born.
Oh,
And finally, the Buddha is also passed.
From that, going here, panoramic.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, please stand here. Yeah. Okay. Please come together. I will show you one or two pictures, and then we can go over there.
okay. So this is the
For
This is
you,
a spot.
1, 2, 3.
ganda dito guys, grabe. Very serene. The place is very serene.
And this building is
Very calm. Maganda nga ang panahon ngayon kasi hindi masyadong mainit. Kaya ang gandang mamasyal at maikot-ikot.
Lucky Buddha.
VIPs and Royal.
Person eating the cake. Perfect.
Okay, and after finish our picture here, I want to show you about this building. Inside the compound area palace, this one is very important one.
Okay.
It's a throne hall. So throne hall we use when coronation day. The prince came here and celebrate the ceremony, became officially the king of Cambodia. But not only that time. For example, at any time. For today, I told you already, the head of state allowed came to here maybe 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
And met our king inside.
All right.
Pictures are not allowed inside. So maganda dito guys, ayan oh. So hindi lang tayo pwede mag-picture sa loob ng palace, bawal daw yan. So it's just a respect, no, para doon sa kanila. Ang ganda yung weather ngayon guys, ayan. Hindi mainit, buti naman, hindi mainit ngayon. So ayan. Ganda. So ito, pasok tayo. It's like a mini museum.
Deserve, but for the people from no language. And the one word in Japanese
On night time, only that.
Pumpkin.
You can take picture here, and
Okay.
after finish our picture, we can go through that gate, and you can go inside the building too.
Okay.
The building is Silver Pagoda.
Oh, Silver Pagoda.
Pagoda.
Okay.
Silver Pagoda. It means the pagoda made from silver.
Silver, okay.
Yes.
Now they not only still using just for distribution.
There's a lotus flower. Lotus plant. Where's the Silver Pagoda? Ah, that's it, I think. So this is really the Silver Pagoda. Okay, made up of silver.
You know the pagoda?
Yeah.
Inside, I want to show about a gallery around.
So guys, pasukin natin yung sinasabi nilang Silver Pagoda, and sometimes they call it as the Emerald Buddha Pagoda. Okay, kung silver kasi meron siyang silver flooring daw. And then meron din siyang Emerald Buddha sa loob. Kaya sa mga Cambodian, they really call it as the Emerald Buddha Pagoda. Okay, be careful. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so same protocol. No pictures and camera allowed inside. So, dito lang sa labas.
Pagoda.
So, unfortunately, hindi natin pwedeng ipakita sa loob dahil bawal ang camera sa loob. Okay.
Picture, no shoe.
Okay, so pagpasok, iiwan natin yung ating mga sapatos. Take off the shoes. Okay, and put it here. Para makapasok tayo dun sa loob. So, nakalabas na tayo ng Temple of Emerald Buddha. So, bawal kasi mag-picture sa loob. So, pupunta tayo sa iba pa uling temple. Check natin. Ice cream ba? Ah, ito yung ano, replica.
Replica na.
Oo. This is a replica of the
Only you? Oh, many people.
Angkor Temple.
Angkor Wat Temple.
Angkor Wat. Okay, this is a replica.
Angkor it means
in Cambodia.
Angkor Wat.
city, but
In
Angkor
Buddhism
Wat
culture,
is
we
the
can
name of the
be a monk for 1 month
temple.
from
The
whatever.
biggest
that
one, the really
want to
famous
pray
one in the world,
the spirit of
and was
to the
registered by UNESCO during
I gotta go to
1992.
stay in the
Okay. Yeah, it is a temple, right? Or so this is the replica in Siem Reap of the Angkor Wat. Okay. So yan na, we're almost on the last leg na ng ating pag-iikot dito sa Royal Palace.
Okay, sorry.
Why this one got gate, this one without?
So dito nakalagay yung mga ashes ng mga hari. So ito yung mga grandparents, yung mga nauna, kaya mas malaki. So yun guys, tapusin ko na yung aking vlog dito. Ganyan lang yung Royal Palace. Pag pupunta kayo dito, at least may idea kayo kung ano yung inyong dadatnan. Yan, ganyan guys. So thanks for watching. Abangan nyo pa yung pupuntahan namin dito sa Cambodia.